your boy C's coming to you live from the field today, and today's sprinting protocol calls for 6 by 60-yard sprints. I had to stop halfway through because on my 4th rep, I felt a pull on my right quad. So just gonna walk it. I'll do a couple laps walking it out along the track and then either jog back or walk back home, because I'm not trying to freaking injure myself or snap some shit up in the middle of my training. Today just started at like a deficit, man. Like, missed my alarm, almost missed my meditation, and almost late to one of my training sessions in the morning. So just been trying to play catch up all morning long. So right now I got some more work to do. Got some client programming I got to catch up on and get ready for the next month. Although we are still in week 2, you know, I just like to look ahead and see exactly, because the next phase is going to be the strength phase, and look to see where, you know, I can optimize my training. So yeah, let me just go walk this out and see how I feel by the time I get home.
What? Hey.
So after I got back home and I did some SMR with a foam roller at the crib, I did end up pulling a muscle, but it's not too bad. So I'm just gonna try and go for an early run tomorrow morning and see how it feels, because, you know, like, put some compression on it to loosen it up, and then now I just want to get some more blood flow to it. So I want to go for a light run tomorrow and see if I can bounce back a lot faster and then not let it linger around too long. Right, buddy? Here's my coach. Here's my personal trainer, by the way. He keeps me motivated to be excellent and be great. So yeah, I'm just gonna like continue to like kind of do some light stretching and chase this guy around the crib. And hopefully, you know, yeah, I can bounce back tomorrow morning, you know? That's all I can hope for.